at a restaurant eating food with spots. The next if it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. And the Makaya, it bet in it bet like literally the size of this table. It's fine. I'm sharing a dorm with most people, but then those people, all of their names start with a U. The people's names, all of their names start with a U. I'm the only S.
Whatever kids want, they must ask.
The guy is things on the road.